Professional landscaping can offer many benefits to your home, and hiring a professional landscaper will ensure that the job gets done right. Did you know that professional landscaping can increase the property value of your home by as much as 15% and speed up the sale of your home by as much as 6 weeks? Well, it's true, according to the study by the Associated Landscape Contractors of America. A Clemson University study has also proved that a home with an excellent landscape rating could expect a sale price of 4 to 5% higher than equivalent homes, with landscaping considered good or average. And by spending just 5% of the value of your home on professional landscaping, you could increase the resale value of your home by as much as 15%, earning back 150% of your landscaping investment. So as you can see, professional landscaping is a very smart choice and a very wise investment for today's homeowner. But it doesn't stop there. Professional and well-designed landscaping can also lower your utility bills. Properly selected and positioned plants can lower home heating and cooling costs by as much as 20% because the plants will actually reduce both heat loss and cold air filtration through walls and floors during the winter months. Aside from these many benefits, you can also be proud of your home and enjoy the increased curb appeal that you will gain from a properly landscaped yard. We specialize in many different types of landscaping services and can help you enjoy some of these benefits in your home. So what are you waiting for? Give us a call or stop by our website for more information today.